Hello everyone, this is my first video on R Studio. Basically in this video I am going to show you how to conduct one sample t-test and independent sample t-test. So before doing these analysis I am just going to show you my data set, my instruction file. So basically in this video I am going to do 1 and 2. So in number 1, a company manager says that the average balance on their credit card is $500. Do you think that this assertion is justified? Use a one sample t-test to draw your conclusion. And the second one is there any difference between man and woman as far as average balance is concerned? Use a two sample t-test, draw your conclusion. So basically two sample t-test basically indicating the independent sample t-test. So this is our instruction and the data file. I have to choose, no problem. This is let me show you the data file. Okay, this is our data file. So basically based on the data file I will conduct independent sample t-test and one sample t-test. Okay, so first of all here I have to import the data from Excel, SPSS, CSV formatted file. So if your data in Excel format, then you can easily import your data from these options like Excel, SPSS, SS, data. Then if you have CSV formatted file, then you have to code something like read.csv formatted. Okay, so I will show you in this later in this video, no problem. First of all I just import the data file from Excel, import option from Excel. Then I have to browse, click on browse. Then where actually I just keep my data, I have to select. Okay, so using RStudio, then I previously already kept here credit data, open, then import. Okay, so already the data is imported here. Okay, so data already imported. Now I have to conduct the analysis like one sample t-test. So for understanding I just commenting something like that, one sample t-test for understanding. First of all I have to extract the data like our balance is our numerical variable. And okay, so I have to extract the data from our whole data set. Okay, the numerical variable like balance. Okay, so credit card, our credit card balance, I can keep my vector name. Okay, credit, our data set name was credit, then dollar sign, then our balance variable. Okay, so it will extract the numerical variable. Then I can conduct the one sample t-test. So I can set the name one sample t-test result, then t dot test bracket credit is our data set. I already used the vector, I have to use it, credit card. And then I have to write mu means here is population mean was $500. So I have to write 500 here. Then I have to write print. Just I have to see the output here, so that's why I just write down the print option, print, then copy the previous vector, then okay, then run all code here. Okay, so you can run one by one, no problem, like one by one, but I just run the whole thing at a time. So here the mean was like 520, and our test value was 500. So is there any significant difference or not? We can conclude the decision based on the p value, as here the p value is greater than 0.05. That means there is no significant difference between the 500 and 520. Okay, so there is the no that means we are agreed our hypothesis. We are failed to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, we are failed to reject the null hypothesis. Our decision was like that. Okay, after that I can conclude the second one. Second one is like, is there any difference between man and woman as far as average balance is concerned? Use a two sample t-test, basically indicating the independent sample t-test. So I'm just here commenting something like independent sample t-test. Okay, commenting for first of all I have to extract the data, extract credit balance for male and female, or man and woman. Okay, men and women. Okay, so here is like our data is like male and female, then that's why I just write male and female. Okay, first of all I have to extract the data balance male. Okay, so how can I extract? Our data set was like credit, then dollar sign, our numerical value is balance. So here I have to use third bracket, then same thing like credit, dollar sign. Here I have to select gender for double equal sign. Okay, and under the inverted comma, and I have to write male. The same thing I just copy and paste, sorry, here paste, and this is for female and this is for female. Okay, so I already extract the run code, and then I can conduct the analysis like independent t-test result. Okay, then t dot test bracket our previous two vector here, just write the vector name, test, comma, then print. So here's the result. I can see the p value is 0.6686. That means there is no significant difference between male and female valence data. Okay, so the male data was like $509, and female data was like $529.53. Okay, so our hypothesis, null hypothesis, was like there is no difference between male and female, and the alternative was like there is a difference between male and female valence. Okay, so here also we cannot reject, we are failed to reject here. Okay, we failed to reject the null hypothesis. That means there is no difference between male and female balance. Okay, so that's all for hypothesis testing, like independent sample t test and one sample t test. Okay, I hope you understand everything. Just check it and follow the video. Okay.